Black, what they do?
Yo, what's good? No man, just sitting here thinking I'd give me some money. I'm hungry.
Yeah, if you hungry for real, man, depending on how hungry you are, man, we can go ahead to Sweet Lick right over by MGM, man. I know the spot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you down the ride?
Say less, I'm there.
Bet. Alright, I'm about to text you the address.
I got smoke, you can come and get it. I got beef, I got seafood, or you can get chicken. You know the get is good, so you better come and get it. You know it's finna be torch when Chef Kilmer in the kitchen. He be flipping, and you know that he be saucy. You can get delivery, or you can pull up on that food in the area. And you know I'm saucy. Send him a text, or you could just call him. Kilmer in the kitchen.
What's good, bro? You ready?
This is smart right here.
Yeah, man, that's that joint right there. Hey, my brother, I think they about ready. Let's go ahead around back of that joint. Go ahead and do that.
Alright, yeah, this one be a Sweet Lick already. I can see it.
Start.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Alright, bet. Careful, man. That thing smoke.
Hey, run that shit up, Trey.
Yeah, I need a sweet lick. Food so good, got the big ribs. Sauce all on the sauce. Yeah, made the order out the smoke pit. That's a sweet lick. Sweet lick. Food so good, got them big ribs. Sauce all on it, let the sauce drip. Get it, made the order out the smoke pit. That's a sweet lick. I need a sweet lick. Food so good, got the big ribs. Sauce all on it, let the sauce. So good, got them big ribs.
Oh, you heard about the
Sauce
Sweet Lick.
all on it, let the sauce drip. Get it, made the order out the smoke pit. That's a sweet lick. I need a sweet lick. Food so good, got them big.
Yeah, this man coming. Man, back. What it do? What it do? I see you came back with your hands full.
Yeah, man.
Hey, it was sweet, wasn't it? So good. Good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I told you that joint was sweet, man.
Yeah.
You came back with your hands full. That thing looked heavy.
Yeah, this was Sweet Lick.
Yeah,
Come up.
told you.